how to buy Patriot token. So as you can see, this is their X account. Now this is their website. Now it's available in Uniswap and in Gate.io. Now if you have the account of Gate.io, you can now buy it. If you don't have, just click on sign up. Now after that, go and search for it. As you can see, this is Patriot for USDT. Now here, enter how much of USDT you want to buy, and this is, and you will receive how much of Patriot you will receive. Now after that, you can now click on buy and you will buy it. Now as you can see here, the same is Uniswap. Now just click on connect and now select the wallet like Phantom. And also, as you can see, this is wallet is connected. Now go to Phantom wallet and now click on swap. Now make sure you have enough Solana, and here search for Patriot like this, Patriot. Now as you can see, this is our token. Now make sure it is the same. Now click on it, and this is, and now you can enter how much you will buy. Now, this is how much you will receive. Now this is the providers, and select one of them, and now click on swap, and you will be able to buy the Patriot token on your Phantom wallet. So this is how to buy Patriot token. Thanks for watching.